morning, welcome to Carlos Cooks again. This morning I'm going to show you how to make the perfect egg for an egg sandwich or to have with your bacon and sausages in the morning. Very easy, and it's sort of a hybrid egg. It's sort of part fried and it's part poached, and it's so easy to do. And what you're going to need is one of these tiny frying pans, these little ones. You can find them in the cheapy shops for a couple of quid. And what you're going to do is you're going to put some water in the kettle and put it on to boil, just a little bit. And we've put one squirt of the sort of low-cal oil in the pan, and then we're going to put it on the smallest gas ring and on the highest heat. And just wait for it to warm up a little bit. As soon as the egg's in, you're going to put a lid on it. I've got a small lid that fits perfectly on top of mine. And if it is got a see-through lid, all the better. And we're not going to leave it in there for very long at all. We just want the white to set. That's all we're doing here. So we just want that white to set inside. And it will steam very quickly. Don't bother trying to move the egg or anything like that. You can have a little quick peek. Right, that's ready now. So the next thing is to add our boiling water, and we're just going to add an amount around, and then put the lid back on again. So we've done the sort of fried portion, now it's doing the poaching portion. And we've left it on the high heat still, we haven't turned it down or touched it. All we're going to do is just give it a little bit of movement in that water. And over time, you'll notice that you're going to get that perfect white coating over the top of the egg. Doesn't take long at all, it's just starting to go now. But the egg's not frying, it's not going hard on the bottom, it's going to be the same all over. So as soft and cooked as the white is on the top, it's going to be the same underneath. Let's have another quick look. Nearly there. And the beauty about this quick processing, because we're now going to turn it off now. We're going to turn it off and we're going to move it straight off the ring. And that's it done. But the beauty about cooking it quickly like that and in the water like that and in that frying pan is that it's going to be lovely and soft in the middle. So you're going to have a lovely runny yolk, but you're going to not have that nasty see-through egg stuff that's on the top of your egg normally. It's all been cooked and sealed in. So let's put that in our back now. Okay. Now all your water, even though we did it very quickly, should have evaporated. You might have a little bit left in there, but not much. So just get a spatula and just hang that egg in the air just for a couple of seconds. And it's ready to go. And look at that, if that was on a plate or in a back like that, and it's running in the middle like you like it, you're going to be very happy. So try and make your eggs like that. I'm going to call them hybrid eggs, we'll call them.